What's up, everybody? Back here with another episode of Lame Sayings. Got my best friend Leslie back, helping me with this build. So we are working on box 4 and 5 today, and from the past video, I put the link down in the description. So far, we got the back bumper done. We didn't do nothing to the fender, but we got that done.
Put a trim piece on there. That was very hard. Okay, 2 trim pieces actually.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that took a lot of little, time and effort. Right
Oh, you
there.
did, yeah.
Yeah, 2 little trim pieces.
Okay. So we got that. We got Mr. Fusion done, or you can do the first from the first movie. We got part of the frame, the front, left and right, whatever assembly. So you want to tell me what we'll be working on today?
So for the first one, issue 11, we are going to be working on the engine support. As before in the other ones, they gave us nice little stories on everything that's going on. I guess this one is the production diary, which is actually something I'm probably going to really read after we get done with this.
I gotta put these magazines in the folder that they give us.
Yeah, it makes it a little bit easier. I'm going to steal it. Anywho, on the 12th issue, it looks like we are going to be doing the left rear hub wheel suspension assembly, I guess. Wow. I didn't realize we're doing all that. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, here, I guess here's a part 2 on the production diary in issue 12, which is actually pretty cool. It gives you a nice little lengthy story. Alright, I guess on issue 13, we're going to do the third wheel, finally. I guess, we get to wait till box 6 or 7 for the 4th one. But that's
no,
cool.
we got it in box 5, actually.
Oh, we got it in box 5. Oh, it's even more fantastic.
So we're going to have all 4 wheels done by the end of this video.
Cool. I guess the 4th and 5th box are all complete production diary. That's actually really, really cool. I did not know they had all that in there. Last but not least, alright, we got the 14th issue. On this one, it looks like we're going to be doing the right rear axle and brake assembly.
I have my hands crossed like I'm in school.
Where's a ruler at? Shh. But that's, I guess, what it is. With all these 4 issues right here, we're going to learn about everything that took behind the scenes with Back to the Future, which that's going to be really cool. Interesting to see.
Yes, so
let's start building.
a struggle. What a struggle.
Not
what
really.
a struggle.
He struggled.
I struggled a lot. I mean, but my hands hurt, so.
We built the same thing.
Except
he put he put a tire on.
Yeah, I put a tire on.
It wasn't easy, but.
It's just because the screwdrivers they gave us started stripping. And then you gotta pay attention because some stuff in the magazine doesn't match up to the parts that they give you.
Yes.
Like one part on the bottom had a lip, and then the magazine it didn't have a lip. So that's what we got confused at. But so far we got the rear done. The next box we'll get this wheel on, of course. But I forgot I mentioned this before. The fourth box you get the out of time license plate. So I mean it's pretty nice.
That's really nice.
I mean it's
aluminum.
It says Universal in the back, so
that might go missing.
I don't know.
It wasn't me though.
I don't know where I'm actually gonna put this. So, but get that, and now let's see. Sorry for all the noise. Box 5. Get the tire. And now her favorite part. One of her favorite parts we're gonna do.
Besides the electrical, I'm really anticipating the electrical work.
So,
but
if I can get the magazines out, that would be awesome. So this is issues 16, 17, 15, and 18. Yes, I know I went out of order. So 15, we're gonna be working on
Mountain Palace, another
tire. 16 is gonna be the transmission
case.
So you can see it better. Whoa! Don't lean forward in a chair. The engine and transmission case. 17. Sorry, I'll show you the back instead. 18 is.
It's like the other part of the engine.
The side and back for the engine, plus filters and manifold. You got excited.
Kind of excited.
So you got that. So let's get to it. result. Got the rear done, the shocks. Got most of the. Get rid of the face. There it goes. I'm sorry, people. But got the transmission, most of the motor done. So probably next box we're gonna be mounting it, and I don't know what those are.
These are gonna be your ball joints, I believe. No, your This is horrible. So I work in the car industry, and I can't even tell you what these are right now. I want to say these are like your sway bar links, but I'm not 100% sure. I want to say that's what they are.
I mean, it could be.
I mean, that really looks like it. I mean,
I don't know. Whatever these are. But anyways, that's as far as we got done. Like the video, subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell so you know, so you don't miss the next video. Who knows what I'm gonna do? Yeah, I ain't gonna doing a lot of videos, but yeah. Oh, one question: if y'all want me to do gameplay, let me know down in the comments below, cause I don't know. I really don't get a lot of views for gameplay, so if y'all want to see gameplay, let me know.
if you want to see me act retarded, let me know.
Listen, what took long was we had to backtrack.
Yeah, it's my fault.
Both of our faults, because I put one thing on backwards. She put on
two things actually backwards.
Yeah.
One, because the instructions told me to, and two, I guess I dropped the piece and got frustrated, and then I paid attention and put it on backwards.
So, yeah, I mean, pay attention to the instructions.
Very closely.
There is one thing that I do need to let y'all know. It's about the, this piece right here on the back wheel, where the shocks go. Make sure you pay attention, because in the instructions, it didn't actually say to put it in at where it's supposed to go. So, just pay attention to that.
Yeah, where your shock meets your spring. It does not actually definitively show. It just shows a little shock. You put a little piece on it, and that's it.
And then it goes to the next step.
Yeah, put in the rotor on.
So, anyways, see you next time. Bye.